Running through our multiple choice questions for gross income, we've got Randolph, and Randolph is going to be a single individual who always claims the standard deduction. Randolph received the following in the current year. We've got wages, unemployment compensation, a pension distribution, and a state tax refund from the previous year. Now, what is Randolph's gross income? Couple points here. One is this line is important. Always claims the standard deduction. And why is that? Well, if you remember back to our lesson, if you claim the standard deduction, that means you did not itemize. If you did not itemize, it means you did not use your state tax payments as a deduction. And as such, if you don't benefit from deducting state taxes, then you are not going to get taxed on any refunds from that. So right away, we know that we are going to exclude this amount right here, this $425. Now, wages, yeah, that's pretty much a standard, right? We're always going to include wages in our gross income. Unemployment compensation, the way I say this so you can remember it, is that think of it as instead of an employer paying you, it's now the government paying you. So yes, we will include that. And lastly, this pension distribution. Yeah, I mean, it says it's 100% taxable. If it says it wasn't taxable, I would exclude it. Really, we don't go too deep into pension payments. So I would just go on what it says. If it says it's taxable, yes. If not, then I would exclude it. That's going to give us our final answer here of $32,000. Next up, as a result of a divorce, a taxpayer received the following during the current year. We've got cash from the property settlement, we've got child support, and we've got alimony payments. What amount, if any, must be included in gross income for the current year? Great question. Now, child support, that one just speaks to me right away because we know we are not going to include that. And the rationale being, think of the children. The last thing you want to do is take money away from money that would go towards the child for the best healthcare, the best education, food, all of that. So we're not going to include child support as a part of our gross income. Now that leaves us with alimony payments and cash from a property settlement. Now these are going to be different. Alimony payments, for sure. This is going to be included. This is definitely, we got that there. And then what about cash from the property settlement? Well, this is not going to be included, right? Thinking back to our lesson here. So finally, we arrive at our answer of just $30,000. And that's it. Those are our questions. Make sure you're continually practicing multiple choice questions in Sims. Thank you all for joining, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.